Hi guys, Baby Smart Fun here. Today we're going to do a surprise egg puzzle. Let's start with this blue one. Let's see what we have inside. It's our deer puzzle piece. Look how cute that guy is. The deer. Put that where it goes. And the next one we have, give it a shake. It is our camel. Do you guys see where the camel goes on here? There's that camel. There he is. Perfect. All right, let's see what we have next. It's our rhino. Where's that rhino at? Do you see? There's the rhino. That's perfect. And let's see what we got in here. It's a crocodile. Do you guys see where the crocodile goes? There he goes. Oh, fell out. There we go. That's perfect. All right, let's see what we got in this one. We have a monkey. Do you guys see where the monkey goes? There he is. He's in the very middle. And we have a zebra. Where does that zebra go? He goes all the way over there. All right, next we have the lion. Oh, blah, blah. Oh, so cute. He doesn't look vicious at all, does he? Extra cute. We'll put him over here. Let's see what we got in this one. We have a pink elephant. Do you see where the elephant goes? Goes right there. Here's our last surprise egg. What do you think it's gonna be? You're probably right. It is the hippo. It's our last guy there. All right, well, thank you for doing this puzzle and playing with the surprise eggs. We had so much fun, and we'll see you next time on Baby Smart Fun.